Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present structure lecture evaluation 2 from EKI2, presented by Freddy Ikhwan. My name 19 all 5 all 2 all 5 8 class 4C. Lecture by Miss Harry Nuraini SPD MPD. Title topic: Learning language with Suggestopedia approach. I purpose the objective of this presentation are can understand Suggestopedia, can understand the history of Suggestopedia. Problem: students are less interested in learning English. Why? When studying, students feel tense. Students are not comfortable facing the lesson. Sometimes the pressure by stressful situation. Literature. According to Richard G. and Theodore S. Rogers in their book Approach and Method in Language Teaching, Description and Analysis, New York, Cambridge University Press 1993, page 142. Suggestopedia is a treatment method based on a modern understanding of how the human brain works and how we learn most effectively. A concept that's present a few that human can be directed to something by giving suggestion. History, philosophical foundation of the Suggestopedia methods, learning in unconscious function that people can learn faster. That learners are hindered by the norm that society has taught us, the lack of harmony, the failure to use our power due to laziness in most people. Research method, three elements that must be fulfilled: attractive classroom and a pleasant classroom atmosphere, dynamic personality teacher, that students are ready to be in a relaxed state. Lessons are given in the form of very long dialogues. Suggestopedia dialogues have the following characteristic. A. Emphasis on vocabulary and content. The basis for making dialogue is a real life situation or event. C. New, emotionally and relevant underlines words. Result finding. Suggestopedia operation runs for 24 days for one stake with 10 units of material with 12 students per class. Each unit presented within 6 hours of listen, face to face every day, lasts for 4 hours. The operation are as follow. The first 5 days are given oral listen. The material provided consists of several dialogues and review. This material is read by teacher tweets on the sixth day onward. The rule and learning activities are more emphasis to student. The Suggestopedia cycle began with review the material that has been studied previously, a presentation of new material with grammatical explanation and translation, presentation of material for 1 hour in a relaxed and relaxed condition. Conclusion: the Suggestopedia method is a method based on a modern understanding of how the human brains work and how we will learn effectively. This method is intended to eradicate suggestion or negative influence that are not consciously blooming on students and to eliminate feeling of fear that are very inhibiting in the learning process. Suggestopedia learning must meet the desired criteria if you want the expected result, namely the principle of a strong emphasis on the audience and assumes that learning is a say. The principle of absolute union, the principle of familiar and lively interaction between students that make a deep impression on their hearts. Uh, I think it's enough. My topic, I forward to all of you. Thank you very much.